Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Chromebook runs the latest Chrome OS and has about 500 MB free space because updates and caches need room. Next, choose a path: Microsoft 365 web app, Android PowerPoint app, or Linux package. Each has trade-offs in offline access and feature parity, so pick based on whether you need full desktop features. Once decided, sign into both your Google and Microsoft accounts and enable the Play Store if you plan to install the Android version. Now you implement the chosen method. If using the web app, open Office. Sign in, pin the site to your shelf, and enable offline files. This gives quick access and autosave to OneDrive. If installing the Android app, get it from the Play Store, accept storage and account permissions, then verify offline files and templates. For Linux power users, enable Linux Beta, install LibreOffice for compatibility, or set up Wine/Winatrix to run desktop PowerPoint. Make sure you allocate enough disk in Linux settings before installing. Finish by syncing and validating. Make sure OneDrive or Google Drive integration is active so your presentations save and sync. Confirm local files cache if you need offline access. Test by opening, editing, saving, and presenting a sample slide deck to check fonts, animations, and external displays. If something breaks, try one key troubleshooting step. Clear the app cache or reset the app, then sign back in. If display or permission errors persist, reinstall the Android app or remove and re-enable Linux Beta to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.